You can just grab him by the tail, Jonathan. Can you grab him by the tail? Now we got shark bait.
I thought he ate it. It looks like he did.
He went at it and I foul hooked his ass. He's solid. Nice. Chunk it through. Look at that monster. Lift him up a little higher on the tail. There you go. Right there. Tower fish. Let that big bastard go. Is he okay?
Oh, he smoked it. Again, really?
Go, bitch. Go, bitch.
Oh my gosh.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. I'm losing him. I'm losing him. I'm losing him. Go, go, go. Start it and go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go left. I got them both. Oh, that burned my thumb. To the left. That's good. That one was mad. Here he is right here. He's had enough. I think I got him. Look straight up. Grab the net itself. Whew! That's a toad. That's a pretty fish.
Got him?
Yep. Go. Can I make noise or should I wait? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. He's late. Go, D. He's hit him in the head. Got the hook, Negro. I'm gonna catch me one too. I'm gonna catch one too. Get the double going. Oh, he's a toad. Measure him. Yeah, he's plenty big for the net, John. Put him in there, has to have a look. That's what I was at.
Oh, it's a good one, John. Get the net. Hurry, it's out.
Behind the trolling motor. I mean, behind the, by the motor. By the motor. By the motor.
Head first. That's a good one. That was a pretty fish.
Hurry and get that bitch unhooked and back in the water.
Oh, no, he's smaller.
Jump, dude.
There's one swim by it. There's one right by it.
There's a bunch of fish there. Monster, Jonathan. Yeah, he's a toad. fisherman. Over here, D.
I'll get these on the left.
Get those long ones. Got it, Jonathan. Set the hook, bitches.
Yeah.
There's mine. I'll watch Jonathan now. Huh?
The swim with mine.
I want to watch yours. Watch Damon hook up on them too. Oh,
guys.
four. No. That could be bad.
He tangled up.
I'll watch yours in until I get it.
I'll grasp it up.
There he is. Could be a pretty good video here, huh?
I'm a star.
You're officially a star, but probably. Jonathan, there's. Thing looked huge out there.
Comparatively to what
Yeah, maybe it's because we've been catching 12-inch fish. I got a tag in it? Damon, that's got a tag in it. Look at it. You'd be crying, wouldn't you? Look how red that thing is. That's a stud. That's a good fish.
Really good fish.
Yeah, he's a lot better than he looked in the. Oh, he's a tournament. See what he looked like. John, that chicken stick is right behind you. Yeah, I want you to get a picture of you of that thing, D.
Did you get that video?
I'll get the whole thing, Bubba.